All right guys, check it out. Today we're going to do an oil change on a Mazda 3 and we're going to use some car ramps today. Usually I use a jack and stands, but it can be kind of difficult using those. I'm hoping that this is going to be a lot easier. Just put the ramps on the ground and we drive up and adjust it. These are hydraulic ramps, which are pretty cool, from Garvee. Let's check them out. Oh yeah, look at those. Look at that red, that's cool. I've never had car ramps before, so I'm pretty excited. I always just use a jack and stands, but I've always thought it'd be cool to have some car ramps, and these are hydraulic, so you can adjust them, which is even cooler. There's a hydraulic pump in there, so you can adjust the height on them, which is really neat. Oh yeah. Pretty cool. There it is. All right, let's check these things out. So this is pretty cool. This is like a little platform for your tire. It's almost like a jack stand, basically. And you've got your locks here, your safety locks. And then there's your bottle jack right there. Just like a regular hydraulic jack. You gotta loosen it or tighten it. So now, and then we go from this side. There we go. See it going up? So that allows you to adjust it up another, what, 8 inches or so, 12 inches, something like that, which is pretty cool. And then when you got it where you need it, obviously this will be on here already. It's going to go right into that little hole there. And then when you're ready to lower it, you release the pressure. There it goes. Let's get them lined up with the tires and see what happens. Make sure we're right in the center. All right, we're gonna put a rubber stopper behind the wheel just to keep it from moving. Safety first. All right, that's looking pretty good. Now we can access the bottle jack. So what we're gonna do is just jack this up a little bit. There we go. You can see the holes are even now. So we can put the safety pins in there. Safety pin. Get that one in there. All right, guys, there it is. Okay, so the safety pins are in. We got it jacked up a little bit, and it's looking pretty good. All right, guys, we're gonna do the oil change. We got this thing up on the ramps. It was pretty easy. I'd have to say it's a lot easier than jacking it and moving the jack to both sides and using the jack stands, but I did put jack stands under there just in case for safety reasons. But these feel pretty stout. You probably don't even need them. I'm gonna go ahead and open the hood. I'm just gonna open this and leave that right there and just pull this up. And then we're gonna go underneath and loosen the drain plug and let the oil run into the drain pan. All right, I'm going under. Let's see what happens. All right, we're just taking this cover off. I think the drain plug is under here. There's a couple Phillips heads, or 5/16 it looks like, something like that. There it is. And there's the filter right there. There's the oil filter and the drain plug. There we go. Yeah, it's a little dirty. So we'll let that drain. All right, guys, it's almost done draining. It's dripping a little bit, but it's gonna do that for a while. So I'm gonna see if I can get the filter off. All right. Whoa. It always gets me no matter what, it seems like. And then we're gonna pour a little bit in the filter here. I'm gonna get the new filter on and the plug, and then we'll fill it up. Yeah, it fits. Get the plug back on, the drain plug. Snug it up. I think we'll leave it on the ramps for now. We'll fill up the oil and then we'll start it up and make sure nothing's leaking. And of course the oil will go to the recycler. We have one right down the street. And we'll check the level. There it goes. It's starting to go up now. I think once we set the car down, it's going to be right where it needs to be. And we are good to lower this down. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the safety pins out. And we're going to lower this side down. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to back it up. All right, guys, these things are awesome. Garvee, go check them out. There's a link in the description. There should be a discount code. Let me know if you get one. I think they're great. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.